Hello guys, uh, wanted to give you an update about mining on Claymore. As I last time I was mining on Claymore, but not anymore because it doesn't work. So the alternative for that I found is a Phoenix miner. Um, I just googled it and this is the link I found the download from. So if you go down on this page and this is where I downloaded the software from. This is the one I used. I right click, download, and then just download standard or zip file. Once you've downloaded it, it'll be a zipped folder, so you have to unzip it. And this is the batch file which you have to edit, which I edited. All I did was insert my own Ethereum address in right here and change the name of the rig to whichever one you want to set up. After you change the name, just file, save, and that will save your address, and then you'll be mining on your address. Just make sure you change the address. Once you've saved the file, all you have to do is just start miner. And it will start mining to the address I put into that batch file. All I did was put in my own Ethereum address into that batch file and it started working. I did not have to do anything complicated or anything new. All I did was put in the new Ethereum address and it started working. So it was really helpful. Thanks for watching guys. Hope it's helpful for you guys, whoever wants to start mining. Like the video, subscribe, and if you have any more suggestions or information you'd like to know about, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys.